Have you ever wondered what unconventional items could enhance your car camping experience? Well, you're in for a treat. This guide opens up a world of possibilities, from entertainment to safety, comfort to convenience. In the realm of entertainment, consider bringing along board games and card games like Taboo, Dominion, or Seven Wonders. For a more compact option, try Love Letter or games from Button Shy Games. If you're in for a laugh, add Goat Lords to your collection. For fire management, the Hanley Depot pocket-sized bellows, or a telescoping car antenna, make excellent fire bellows. To keep your tent tidy, pack a small dustpan and whisk broom and a front doormat to minimize debris. A small cutting board and a welding glove are unique additions that can be incredibly useful. To create a cozy atmosphere, consider battery-powered white Christmas lights and GCI Outdoors rocker chairs. If you're planning a solo car camping trip, safety and tools are crucial. A small hatchet, UHF radio, or satellite phone can be a lifesaver in remote areas. Jumper leads, a spare tire with tools, and a basic medical kit are also essential. For cooking, a cast iron Dutch oven and a quality rotomold cooler are fantastic choices. When camping with a group, durable tent stakes and a cast iron grill grate will enhance your experience. An Army surplus first aid kit can provide peace of mind. Large totes can help organize gear, and a Coleman stove and campfire coffee pot make meal prep a breeze. Don't forget about entertainment and comfort. Games, cards, books, a portable air compressor, collapsible log grabber, whiskey, and dessert can make your camping trip unforgettable. To add a touch of convenience, consider reusable ice packs, solar recharge string lights, a pop-up canopy, and a dedicated camp kitchen bin. For car camping, a water jug with a tap, camping stove, hatchet, flex sink, lantern, Yeti Tundra 65, and a cigarette outlet-powered tire inflator can enhance your experience. In essence, the secret to a successful car camping trip lies in the details. The unconventional items that add comfort, safety, convenience, and entertainment to your outdoor adventure. Whether you're a solo traveler or part of a group, these unconventional items can take your car camping experience to the next level. From board games to bellows, cutting boards to Christmas lights, each item serves a unique purpose and adds a touch of charm to your camping experience. So, on your next car camping trip, don't forget to pack these unique items and enjoy the great outdoors in style.